Hi guys, Fera from Guitars AI, and today I'm going to solve a problem from the book Fundamentals of Music Processing. So we go through a step-by-step solution. So you can go to Guitars AI GitHub. Then you once you're there, you can go to the Python Basics tutorial. And then you can launch the binder. So once it's loaded, you can navigate to exercise, and there it is. So the exercise is to compute the center frequencies from all notes of the C major scale and the C minor scale. There are many ways how to solve this problem. I'm just showing how I solved it, and actually I also wanted to include something about MIDI. So the way I'm solving is I go from the note symbol to its MIDI number using this equation right here, and then from the MIDI number I go to the center frequency using another equation, which is this equation right here. So what I did is I defined a class that has some attributes like the note symbol and the octave, and I defined a function note to MIDI, so that will convert the symbol to its MIDI number, and the get center frequency, which will convert the MIDI number to the center frequency. So yeah, if you try it out, we can run the cells. So okay, start here. Yeah, if you want to know how to generate this table, I also included the code here. So just you can run the cells. So in this example, we create a A2 note, the C4, and yeah, the note gives you back these parameters: center frequency, MIDI number, and you can also try by yourself. So let's create, if you are familiar with music, you know that the A4 is 440 Hertz. So we create a note which is A4, and then we get center frequency, and yeah, 440, and we can also get pitch. We'll return the MIDI number, which is 69. So yeah, the code is here. As I said, there are many ways how to solve it. I just wanted to introduce here how to use classes in Python, and yeah, how to use these equations for calculating the center frequency and getting the MIDI number. So happy days, guys. Cheers.